kunza kuno takatabvumirana kuti anopedza mupera kwaNovember, asi pane zvimwe zvikanga zvagadziriswa kumahofisi zvatakazogadzirisa, saka takutarisira kuti musi wa30 December kana 31 December vanenge vapedza. Saka nhasi tatauya kuzoongorora kuti zvavakanyorera papepa ndo zviri pano here. Ini ndiri saminista vari kusupervisa, ndiri kufara kuti zveshuwa vasvika pa65% in terms of progress. Tiri kutarisira kuti panopera svondo rinouya rufu inenge yaiswa, kana kukazonaya vanenge vakushanda vari mukati. Saka panyaya yeprogress taudzwa kuti simbi dzese dziripo, marata achese achaiswa erufu akatogadzirwa, vane mishina yavo kumafactory kwavo anogadzira zvese zviripo. Izvozvizvi vari kudira concrete netechnology dzatagara tichingotaura kuti takuda technology, tisaramba tichingobata foshoro nebhara. Technology inoratidza kuti panopera zuva nhasi concrete bhei rese ravari kudira rinenge rapera kudirwa, ndo progress iri pano.
The council, we are delighted. We have always insisted that a capital city cannot be built by a council alone. A capital city has to be built together with government. And we are now moving in the right direction with central government. And we are happy that the Minister of Local Government, Honorable Mbare, is here with us and monitoring progress. And this is, we believe, as it should be. We as the council have provided the land, and we will provide any of the services, including the gravel that is required in terms of the partnership agreement. What we desire is to first lift Mbare and to make sure that the traders will trade in a modern, clean, hygienic and efficient environment. So we are quite delighted. Yes, we are going to accommodate all the vendors and more. As you can see, we are moving rapidly with this facility. The other facility will also be built in record time. So we are going to expand the market here. We are going to make sure that it gets more vegetables, more economies of scale. So the space is enough for the existing traders and will accommodate even more traders in addition.
So we are the contractor, the chosen contractor under Mukwambo Musika. Mukwambo Musika is the client or the consortium to which are building this structure. Wealth Access is the funders or the team which brought all of us together to build this one. In terms of progress on site, current as of today, we are sitting at 65%. The majority of the 65% is sitting on our structural steel, which is essentially the lattice of the works, which we have prefabricated and is pending deliveries to site from our workshop in number 44 Telbury, Masimba. Our surface beds, we have started this morning with the surface beds. They are alternate slabs, 42 alternate panels times 2. We should be able to finish those works over the weekend. We have already lined our suppliers of concrete to push their closing date of the 13th to next week. Then the brickwork, I'm sure as you have witnessed, is on the tour. The brickwork is sitting at comfortably 80% with the ablution blocks, both ablution blocks almost at ring beam level, the admin block also at ring beam level. Our demographics or our employment on the contract is most of our laborers, our class 2 bricklayers, our carpenters, our shutterhands are resourced from this constituency, which is Mbare. And of those numbers, 18% is our female, 22% more or less is our young personnel or our previously disadvantaged community members. By previously disadvantaged, we are essentially saying a person who doesn't have the minimum requirements, which is the 5O level framework, which most companies or most businesses do prescribe and would want to work with. The catch-up plan and the sticking to the end date of the 21st of December is mostly aggressively controlled by a day shift, which is a full complement with close to 182 people, and a night shift, which is 98 personnel, with agreements or with service level agreements with our suppliers that should we need a product at night, we should be able to get that product at night. And the biggest product which we are looking for at night is concrete and bricks, and to some extent the cement, which we are drawing from Kaya cement, and also our cement, which is from our concrete, from our close concrete batch plants which are within proximity of Harare. The platform or where the building is sitting has been totally completed. We were withdrawing the material in line with the agreement with the Harare City Council. We were withdrawing as free issued from Harare City to this project. So in terms of progress as Masimba, we are very, very confident that we'll meet our deadlines. One trick which we have implemented or which we want to implement is if we can finish the shell this week and cover it with cladding or with sheeting, we can then be able to work, even if it's raining, we should be able to work underneath without any distraction or without any delays which are emanating from the rains. I know the main question is obviously we are working in Mbare. Mbare leadership and Mbare teams have managed to help us in consolidating and having minimum risks in terms of crime. Up to so far, we have not had any threat of breakage into the property or withdrawal of our cement or fuel from our machines up to so far. I thank you.